Hello, and welcome back to 58 Dental. I'm Dr. Kyle Griffith, and today we're going to talk about the dental prophy, commonly known as a dental cleaning. A dental cleaning is at the foundation of optimal oral health. Today we're going to go over some of the tools and techniques that the hygienists here at 58 Dental use to provide you with a wonderful cleaning and an excellent patient experience. An ultrasonic scaler is a hygienist's best friend, and here we can see a good example of this instrument. The tip of an ultrasonic scaler actually vibrates at a very high frequency. This vibration, when it comes in contact with bacteria located on the teeth, safely and effectively removes that bacteria from the tooth surface. This is gentler for a patient, and it increases the hygienist's efficiency and effectiveness in deeper periodontal pockets. This is an example of the Cavitron Prophy Jet, some of the high-end technology that our hygienists use to provide you with an exceptional patient experience and an excellent cleaning. The Cavitron Prophy Jet is more comfortable during the cleaning, as well as providing a better polish by naturally conforming to the shape of the teeth. We understand that some of our patients have sensitive teeth and gums. That's why 58 Dental has partnered with a local pharmacy to provide our patients with what we lovingly refer to as Hygiene Friend. This is a mouth rinse that can be used prior to a dental cleaning to help decrease any sort of sensitivity or discomfort that may be experienced during a dental cleaning. At the end of every dental cleaning, we provide our patients with a warm, moist, scented towel. This allows our patients to leave the office feeling refreshed and ready to go about their day. I hope after today's presentation you can understand the value found within the dental cleaning. Remember, a dental cleaning is the foundation for optimal oral health. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact either myself personally or speak with one of the hygienists in the office. We can be reached by phone at 303-758-5252 or found on the web at www.58dental.com. We look forward to working with you closely in the future.